Understanding the phrase, constant cycle in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, constant cycle. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English comprehension and expression skills. So, let's dive in. Constant cycle refers to a sequence of events or actions that repeats itself continuously without significant change or interruption. The word constant implies something that doesn't vary or change, while cycle suggests a series of events that go round and come back to where they started. Together, they convey the idea of a perpetual, unchanging loop. To better understand constant cycle, let's look at some examples. 1. In nature, the water cycle is a perfect example of a constant cycle, where water evaporates, forms clouds, and then returns to the earth as precipitation. 2. In daily life, many people experience a constant cycle in their daily routine. Wake up, go to work, come home, sleep, and repeat. 3. In relationships, sometimes, relationships can fall into a constant cycle of arguments and reconciliations, repeating the same patterns over and over. Now, let's practice using constant cycle in some sentences. 1. The economy often goes through a constant cycle of boom and bust. 2. Students can get caught in a constant cycle of studying, taking exams, and preparing for the next course. 3. Environmental changes are part of the Earth's constant cycle of evolution. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for constant cycle: endless loop, perpetual sequence, unchanging rotation, continuous round. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, constant cycle. It's a useful phrase that can add depth to your English conversations and writings. Remember, learning English is a journey, and each new phrase you learn is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.